Wearable medical technology, like the MotionWatch, is typically subject to harsh operating conditions and must be manufactured from physically robust materials that are also dermatologically suitable for surface contact with the skin. Once a MotionWatch has been used in actigraphy studies, it must be considered to be contaminated with surface-borne bacteria and must be decontaminated using a suitable disinfecting and cleaning procedure. Care must be taken to use the correct decontamination procedure and cleaning materials. Long-term exposure to certain cleaning materials is known to attack plastics, which may lead to premature failure of the MotionWatch casing. Also, the seals and mating surfaces of the MotionWatch casing must be periodically lubricated to ensure water resistance and to aid in the opening and closing of the casing. We recommend the use of water-based disinfecting products, and our recommended products are Clinell Universal Wipes or Spray, Highmark disinfecting wipes, or similar products. These products do not contain chemicals known to cause deterioration of plastics. Do not use products containing glutaraldehyde, glucoprotamine, isopropyl ethyl or methyl alcohols, hydrogen peroxide, or bleach products. Also, do not use plasma sterilization or ethylene oxide sterilization procedures. Do not autoclave. Do not apply self-adhesive labels or tapes to the casing. Put on sterile gloves and begin by wiping all visible surfaces of the closed MotionWatch body and strap with the cleaning agent. Ensure that all surfaces are dried before proceeding. Open the casing to clean only the areas outside the waterproof seal. Clean only outside of the red bounded area. Do not clean the vertical sidewalls and make sure that no cleaning agent enters the electronics. Also, do not clean the O-ring seal, as this removes the lubricant, which can make the casing difficult to open and may reduce the water resistance. It is advisable to periodically apply a very small amount of silicone grease or other compatible lubricant to the seal to aid with water resistance and to assist opening and closing the casing. Follow these simple maintenance steps and your MotionWatch will give years of reliable clinical service.